What's going on YouTube? You know, it's your boy Josh FG2, coming out here to see what's going on. It's a beautiful day out in Florida, and look who we have here. What it do, big dog?
What's up, bro?
My brother working on his EG hatch. All right, I see you, bud. Baby queen, okay. Coming out soon, real soon. There's the other baby right here. Go for a drive with her today so you guys can hear her out. Hear that hood exit. Everybody's always wanting to know if it's loud or not. I will give you guys a video today on how it is. Alright, I'm about to turn this baby on. Push this button up. Get my little fan. Speed Factory, Shadow Speed Factory. And here we go, turning it on. Driving it, what do you think, man?
Really good.
Yeah.
Clutch. I should hit a second. Shit grabs so good.
Oh yeah, that's stage 4 clutch competition. That baby grip. That shit just wants to go, yo. He jerks the whole freaking car. Jerks like a motherfucker, bro. What's going on, you guys? We're about to go on this ride just for a little cruise. I do had AirPods on. Simple fact is, the car, it is loud. A lot of people always ask me, is hood exit loud? Yes, it is loud, and it does get annoying after some time. And a lot of other people can tell you the same thing. It is very annoying. It does look nice, it makes the car sound nice, but once you're inside the car with the car being gutted and there's nothing in it, yeah, it does tend to get a little loud for sure. So I do listen to music while I drive. I love hearing the car, obviously. Once I'm listening to my music, I can still hear the car over. Oh, I can still hear the car over the music. That's how loud the exhaust is. But it's a very nice deep tone. So it's fun. I'm gonna try to drive and record at the same time on some occasions, just so you guys get an idea on how the car does sound. can hear it, you can definitely tell how loud it is. I'll record some more once we get inside the city. I don't even know if you guys can hear me, but I'll get back with you guys. Que yo quiero ver ese tatuaje. Que yo quiero ver ese tatuaje. You guys can't listen, but I am jamming out right now, yo. Dari rompet tra. Hey. The one thing I like, John, about this car, it breaks so many necks. You don't even know how crazy. I break necks left and right. People will stop me, ask me all kinds of questions and stuff. I love driving this car, and I barely drive it just because Florida, man, people just don't know how to drive. So I barely drive, but when I do take it out, I like to enjoy it, have some fun, you know, and just cruise, literally.